Welcome. In front of me is a TECNO Camon 18, and today I'll show you how you can copy your contacts from the SIM card to the device. So to get started, let's open up Contacts application. As you can see, I have a couple contacts already in here, but that shouldn't really matter. So let's click on the settings gear right here and then select Import Export Contacts. I'm going to select Allow. This will give you a couple of ways of importing contacts. So we have phone contacts, which I'm not exactly sure how you import contacts from phone to phone, but okay. We have Play, which is my SIM card that is inserted into this device, and also storage. Now when it comes into storage, this would imply a VCF file, which you can create using some third-party programs. This will basically allow you to import it to a file that can back up. But I'm going to be selecting SIM card, and then I'm going to be importing it to phone, which at that point it will display all the contacts that are on my SIM card. So we can quickly select all of them by tapping right here on this checkbox. This will select everything downwards. And maybe you don't want all the contacts, so you could still utilize this, but deselect contacts that you might not want, and then click on OK to import selected contacts. And when you go back, you should be able to see them right here. Now, I might be wrong, but it looks like the phone itself already pulls contacts from your SIM card, so it will be kind of like duplicated. As you can see, all these contacts, I believe, some of them are on, or for instance, one is on the SIM and the other one is on the phone. And let's see. So I can add a photo here. Okay, so this one is the SIM contact. It has significantly more options in here, which is indicative of it being saved onto the phone. Anyway, so if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.